Personal injury claims cover everything from work injuries to slip and fall incidents, to motor accidents, to claims for total and permanent disablement, and a whole range of other claims beyond those areas.
A typical situation would be a work injury where a person might have had their benefits cut off by the insurance company, or a person injured in a motor accident who might not know how to access potential medical treatment expenses and their more substantial damages rights under the motor accident laws, which are distinctly different to the workers' compensation laws. And of course then you've got public liability laws which are different altogether, which apply to, for instance, a slip and fall in a supermarket or on a footpath or roadway.
A workers' compensation claim, you should be entitled to ongoing weekly payments either through your employer or the insurer. For other areas it's not quite so clear cut. If you're unable to work and you, for instance, had a motor vehicle accident, you probably should go to Centrelink and get some idea of what you might be entitled to, either a disability support pension or carers payments or something like that.
In the motor accident sphere, they are required to pay for your reasonable and necessary medical treatment expenses as they're incurred. Again, in the workers' compensation sphere, there's a slightly different test. It's that which is reasonably necessary, but again, the insurance company is required to pay those medical treatment expenses subject to that test as they're incurred. In a public liability case, typically there's no such obligation until the end of the case when you get your judgment or your settlement. Simple answer, yes. They adopt a formula whereby they calculate what is refundable to Centrelink. Typically it will be all of the money you've received since the date of your injury in a significant case, perhaps only proportion if it's a small lump sum that you're talking about. There may well also be a future period for which the person will be precluded from receiving Centrelink into the future in a large case.